First, remove the buckle at this position. Take out the buckle with the tool. Take out the engine bay cover. Take out the rubber strip. Loosen the R components. After removing the above components, start to remove the front grille. Remove with a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the screws on our side. Release assembly. Raise the vehicle to continue disassembly. Since this Civic has a front lip, so need to remove the screws under it. Remove all buckles. The original Civic headlight can now be removed. Remove the 4 screws of the headlights. There is also a screw in this one. This is the 4th screw. Unplug all plugs and install new headlights. Honda Civic Diamond style headlights. This is the adapter for cars whose stock headlights are halogen lamps. Since the stock headlights of this car is halogen lights, so it need to connect the adapter to the headlights. This is the high beam plug. This is the low beam plug. This is the turn signal plug. This is the daytime running light plug. This is the motor plug. This is the daytime running light plug that connects to the right headlight. Use the ACC wire to connect the 2 headlights in series. Connect the middle plug to the right headlight. The right plug is connected to the positive of the battery. After connecting the wire, do not fix it first. Test the lights first and then fix them. Start the car and start testing the function of the lights. Left and right are fine. High-low beam, fine. Turn signal works fine. After the test is completed, fix the headlights. Fix the screws and check the light condition. The daytime running lights have a flowing water function when starting the car. The diamond light in the headlight will rotate. This is the headlight after installation. There are 3 diamonds in it. They are dual beam projectors. Here are the high beam and the low beam. This is the daytime running light. Next, show the lights for them. The daytime running lights will have a starting sequence. The daytime running lights will rotate 360 degrees. It will glow purple. It turns into white light at the same time, and then the daytime running lights start to light up in long time. The daytime running lights will rotate 360 degrees. This is low beam. The color of diamond from purple to white. Sequential turn signal.